Now this is a pretty neat website if you want to be able to see your website how a search engine sees it. And all you need to do is insert your particular website into this box here, and we'll do a quick search. And as you can see, it's going to lay out your website, and it's going to be a little ugly looking, but that's okay. This is how search engines see it. We only need it to be visually appealing for visitors. As you can see, the images are kind of grayed out, and that's because search engines can't understand images unless we give them certain code, and we'll talk about that later on. But what's really neat is over here on the right hand side, this gives you some general quick information about the website. You can see how many words are on the page, how many internal links, and again, we'll get into this in more detail, so don't worry too much about this right now. You can also see here what title they've given the page, how many characters it has, what keywords they're currently trying to rank for. So although they gave me 5 keywords, I look here and I see that they have a ton of keywords. And the keywords that they gave me are not even the ones that are up top here, listed as their primary keywords. I also see that they're trying to rank for some keywords that are using their competition's name. So I don't know if that's necessarily the best idea. I can also see their description, how many characters it has, and then when you look below, what's neat is you can see how does the title and the description actually show up if this appears in search results, which is really neat to see, so you can edit your title and your description if you'd like to. If you want to get all of the information, you can click and download, and this will download an Excel file for you so you have all this information. But I think this is just a neat way to see how search engines see your website so you can get an idea of what they think is most important.